located a severe squall line capable of producing brief rain-wrapped tornadoes in addition to widespread straight-line wind damage. These dangerous storms were located along the line extending from 5 miles south of Cortland to Little Rock to 6 miles east of Newark to 7 miles southwest of Mazon, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. These storms will be near Sycamore, Sugar Grove, Morris and Mazon around 8:05 p.m. Oswego, Montgomery and Elburn around 8:10 p.m. North Aurora and Aurora around 8:15 p.m. Minooka, Geneva, Coal City and Batavia around 8:20 p.m. St. Charles and Shorewood around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic thunderstorms include Boulder Hill, Burlington, Carbon Hill, Kingery Grove, South Elgin, Crystal Lawns, Crest Hill, Preston Heights, Glendale Heights and Glenbard South. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Go to a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor